In this video, I'll show you how to make money on medium.com using affiliate marketing method. Alright, so just for you to know that this method is still working, I'll show you my traffic. So just for you to know that this method is still working, because I know some people are complaining that affiliate marketing doesn't work on medium.com anymore. It's working, but your approach is wrong, because this is a platform that you have to share your knowledge, your thought, your opinions, and your ideas. But most affiliates come with the intention of making money now. No, you have to give. This is a search engine, so before you create your articles or your blogs, make sure you do your research, all right? If not, your articles will not go anywhere. Let's go back to the main Medium page. All right, so I'm going to create a blog. So to create a post, click on write. I have my article drafted already, so that's the right thing to do. So I'm going to copy. We need an image here, okay? Something that will be nice and it will attract people when people are scrolling on this page, okay? So to do that, we're going to use Canva. All right, so I'll use this one. This is a pro version, so if you're on the free plan, you cannot use this. Like for instance, this is free, so you can use this. I'll drop my Canva affiliate link in the description box. You can use that, okay? And thank you. So let's go back. So see, this has happy face and it says secret and stuff like that. So this is what you have to pay attention to. You don't wanna use a boring like image. So let's change this. For SEO purposes, we have to optimize this title. Yeah, I'll use the same title. All right, so to download, click on share, download, and make sure it's on PNG, then download. So now I'm gonna go back, click here, enter, click on image, and search for the image that you want. So let's say YouTube, then enter. So you can pick whatever you want, okay? But I like to design my own thing. I'll just click on here, and this is it. Open, boom. See how it looks nice? Yeah, this is how it's supposed to be. I've optimized this image, but I'll click on it just to make sure I can optimize the text here for SEO. Okay, so you see it's not here, so I'll just paste it again. This is the keyword or the title, so save. So this will help you to rank on Google. All right, so now I'll copy and paste my article. So I'll go back, copy the rest of the article, copy, go back here and drop it, paste. And by the way, if you don't know how to write your own article, I'll drop a link in the description box for you. It's a writer AI tutorial. You can use it if you want, but I prefer to write things myself. Sometimes I use it occasionally, but when I know what I'm targeting, I like to write the articles myself, okay? The number 6 is the most important for me, so I'll just highlight and make it stand out. I'll just push this down and I'll say, all right, then I'll highlight, click on this link, then I'll copy my affiliate link. Okay, so when you get off the page, you just go off. So then drop the link and enter. So once you enter, then it's gonna underline. So I can bold it. So this is something I like to do as well. Okay, and I'll delete this. And also I'll use another one. Alright, so this one too is another one, so I'll highlight and I'll now bold it and I'll highlight italics, click on the link, go back, copy my affiliate link, paste it, enter. Alright, from here I can put another image. Sorry, I think this is good. The more images you have, the better. See, so one more time, copy. Alright, so you see how I have this. So I'll push it down again and I'll put a disclaimer here, and this is what people forget to do. So the disclaimer, I'm gonna go back here. Sorry, this is my disclaimer. So what I like to do, I like to copy all this. Like, I don't like leaving this in the middle, so cut. Then at the end of my article, then I'll drop it here. Okay, this look better and use this. Okay, so this gonna break it. So guess what, you have your affiliate link. I have like 2 of them, and at the same time I have my disclaimers. All right, so I'll change this. All right, so this article contains affiliate links. So this is what Medium want you to do, and people fail to do that. You see, so when you look at it, it looks really nice. It doesn't look spammy with affiliate links and stuff like that. Everything is right down here. And believe me, if your story is interesting, people will like to support you wherever you put your link. Okay, and I would like to show people. All right, and by the way, I want to promote this playlist. So what I'll do, I'll copy, because this is about YouTube stuff. So I'll do it after the affiliate link. So here I'll say, all right, and I'll highlight, click on the link, drop it. Okay, so this is good, and I'll just try and separate. All right, and with this I'll just bold it. And so this one is not affiliate link, this is just YouTube playlist, so I don't have to drop a disclaimer. Actually, this I will just take off the bold. This is simple, and make sure you don't have grammar error. That's why you need Grammarly to help you correct all your mistakes. And I'll drop the link in the description box. Hopefully I will not forget. When everything is done, nice, attractive, what you do next, click on publish. Alright, so we need to add tags. So I will say 4,000. Alright, so as you can tell, 4,000 watch hours YouTube. It doesn't have too much, but that's okay. 1,000 subscribers. On Google and other search engines, these tags are really good. So let's say more YouTube. So you can add up to 5, so we need 2 more. Say YouTube. YouTube is good, and YouTube creator. YouTuber, I'll use YouTuber. So instead of this, I'll use YouTuber. That's good. All right, so I'll keep it like this. Then the next thing to do is to click on. All right, so in my case, I'm a member, so I'll earn money from the partnership program. So I have to make sure this is checked and send link to your email subscribers. All right, so all those who have subscribed, they'll get the mail. Then when everything is done, click publish and send now. Boom. So this is how it's gonna look like. Nice and simple. And I have all my links here. Okay, the YouTube link, the other ones. Okay, this is how you go about it, and make sure you follow the steps that I just showed you. All right, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until next time, take care and have a wonderful day. Bye for now.